Hello everyone, so welcome back to my video. Today video a little bit different. It's not an unboxed video. I'm showing you all the pictures of the blend available in the farm, because she sent me too many pictures, so I'm not able to post. I think one post Facebook allowed to post 80 pictures. So this is more than 80 pictures. It's like 20 minutes pictures. So I do video. Some are regular price, some are super expensive, some are, I bought some of them. Some of them have to do pre-order because I don't know what customer like, and and I don't have enough money to bring them all home. So I'm putting pictures, I sending video, so you can let me know which one you like, and I can order easier for me that way. And sometimes we have to wait because we have to wait so long because they ship by order. They ship my blend, whatever I buy, they ship from top to bottom. So maybe sometimes you have to wait a little bit. Thanks for waiting so long. And since we're not unboxing, so I don't know what to say. So let's see what I want to say about you. I really appreciate all the support, all the experiences. For the customer come to the house and pick up the blend. I really appreciate your help. But sometimes I just can't be home when you want to. Some my regular customers come to the house, pick up the blend, walk around like self-service. Come and pick the blend that they like and take the picture to me. Okay, I take this, I take that, I take this, and they help themselves. So thank you for that. You help me out a lot. For the shipping customer, when you pay me, please send me the screenshot, because sometimes your name, your Facebook name, your real name, your banking name, your Venmo name, or PayPal name, all different name. So I don't know who is who and which is which. So it's helped me a lot when you send me the screenshot. And sometimes we need to look back our conversation so I know what's going on. I don't have to go back and check. If you don't send the screenshot, what happened? You text me, hey, I'm paid. Thank you. Then I look for your name. Who are you? How much the amount? And then I go to Zelle. Then I go to Venmo, and then I go to PayPal to take a look to find your name and find the amount, and reply to you. Okay, got it, thank you. That's a lot of work. So please just pay me, screenshot for me, then I'm done. I don't have to go every single account and check for your name and the amount. So please help me out with that. I have a customer, she said pay. I said, okay, good. I didn't check that she pay or not. And one shipment done, another shipment, so 2 shipments. She said so, and I believe so. And finally, we both realized, yes, she paid, but she paid someone else. She didn't pay for me. So it's my fault too. I didn't check when she say pay. Okay, I trust her. I moving on. Next order. And when she paid me, she believed that I got it, so she didn't check either. And finally, we both realized, I didn't keep track, and she didn't double check. She paid the wrong person. That's wonderful thing about Blend Lover. We trust each other's. And for my regular customer, I do send the blend before I get paid, because I trust you. But it's sad thing there are a few people took advantage of that. They took my blend and didn't pay me. Yeah, that's sad. Besides selling, I want to build friendship. I want to build trust in the blend community. Yeah, so it happened, but luckily it's not a lot. It's just a few percent. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, don't debate the price with me. If you like my blend, you know you like the quality, you like the price, buy it. If don't, walk away. Take a look, walk away. You don't have to buy it. After I got a blend, I divide the shipment. Then I pick the price for that blend. I didn't go check what other people around me, what other seller, how much they selling for. I didn't check. I just divide my shipping and decide the price for the blend. Yeah, so don't bargain the price. Don't waste your time and my time. I think I got a pretty reasonable price already. When you buy a blend expensive for me and whining, why that's so expensive? And when I sell for you cheaper than any other seller, would you pay more? No, right? So I do my best. I do my best to bring order, good blend come in and good price for you all. I'm doing it because I like it. I'm not make a living out of salmon blend or anything. Some customers, why don't you do free shipping? A lot of people selling online. If I buy $35 and up, free shipping. Well, if I'm as rich as Amazon, yes, I will do free shipping for you all. But I have a lot of customers far away, like Canada or the other side of the country, shipping. And depend on the size and the weight of blend. If they buy a huge cactus, shipping can be $100. How can I free shipping? No, I'm not able to. And I charge the shipping whatever the post office tell me. I'm not take any extra for shipping or anything at all. And I try to minimize the cost of the shipping already. But sometimes blend, you cannot squeeze the blend in the box. You have to find the box, fit the blend. So yeah, that's a simple common sense. So please understand. Yeah, I wish I can find any other better way to ship the blend to you without too high shipping. And as you can see the pictures of the blend, they are awesome, wonderful color right now. But unfortunately, right now I don't have time off to take you all there. I only have time off in summertime, 2 months off summertime. So whoever want to make a trip or thinking about a trip to Korea with us this summer, yes, plan ahead and let me know by the end of April. I think April I will buy the ticket. My last day of work is June 9, so we probably go in June 15 or June 12, yeah, around that time. Depend how many people going, and we will rent a cabin or stay in a hotel or renting a big car so we can save the transportation and the staying, and so we can buy blend. And we go at least a week. There are too many farms to visit, so at least a week. So we can go see blend for 5 days, 4 days, and the other 3 we can visit the city and yeah, sightseeing or enjoy the food or everything. I can take you to Korea, and my friend can take us to the farm. Alright, so plan ahead and confirm with me the end of April, please, if you want to go to Korea. Wherever you are, we can meet at the Korea airport. You don't have to fly to California and go with me. We can go separately, but we meet certain time at the airport, Korea airport. So far, I have 4 people going with me. So if more, we can arrange more. Alright, so summertime the blend not so nice like right now. Right now is the best time, the best color of the year. But summertime cheaper. Because right now the blend look better, bigger size. So they overprice it a little bit. But summertime when some of them dormant, they sleeping, so it's a smaller size. They don't look that good. So yeah, they sell big cheaper for us. And easy to get around too. It's nice and sunshine and longer day. We can stay out longer. But now it's snowing everywhere. It's hard to move, so that's why I decide to go in summertime. And yeah, you feel free to ask me any question, or if you want to text me but it's late, just text me. The next morning when I wake up, I will go by order. Who texts me first, I will count on that. And please tag me on my cell phone, on my personal Facebook. On my page is okay too, but the problem with my page, I don't get notified unless I go to my page and check. Okay, let's go to my page, see who messages me and answer. But I don't get notified, so I don't get right away respond on my page. I don't know why Facebook they don't make it convenient, especially now after New Year they change the new features. It's confusing. I have my personal page, I have a cactus page, I have my selling things back home in Vietnam. So yeah, I'm switching around and it's so hard. Yeah, but text me on my personal Facebook, the Kathy one. On my cell phone is okay too. And every YouTube video I put the link, the cell phone, the page, everything under the description. But people keep comment, how can they buy, how contact me, blah blah blah. I already put all the information, and even on the screen I say text Kathy for detail, my number there. So yeah, contact me and let me know which plan that you like, and figure out how we work. We come and pick up or ship or whatever I can do. This coming April, I will travel to the east side of the country, Virginia, DC area. So yeah, if you want some plan for me, I can bring them and deliver to you. Yeah, Virginia and DC area. Keep that in mind. Yeah, I will be there for a week on spring break. Let's see what else I want to say. I'm sorry. Maybe I stop talking and let you take a look, enjoy the blend, listen to music better than my funny Asian accent. All right. So I hope everyone have a good weekend, Valentine weekend. Have a good time with your other significant. If you are single, congratulations. Yeah, buy your own flower and enjoy it. Yeah, I do too. I buy my own candy. I buy my own flower. Or buy my own cactus. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Let me know what you like. I will stop talking here and let you enjoy the video.